How to create amazing looking Instagram stories just like this one using iPhone's new image cutout feature, no third-party apps required. So first, you need to be on iPhone with iOS 16. To make sure you're on iOS 16 or to download it, go to your settings, software update, and that's where you can update it if you haven't already. Now, let's create the Instagram story. So let's say I'm a fashion blogger and I want to share my outfit of the day. First, I want to take a picture. I'm going to select the color that I want to use as my background and hold it so it fills the screen. I can also use just a regular picture as the background if I want to. Then, while I'm still creating the Instagram story, I go to my Photos app, and here's the magic. With iPhone's new image cutout feature, I find the photo that has the photo of me with the outfit that I want, and all I have to do now is just hold down on myself and it separates me from the background, and I get two options that appear, copy or share. Here I just tap copy. Then I quickly want to go back into Instagram where I'm creating my story. Now the first time you do this, you'll get a prompt asking if you'll allow paste Instagram. Just tap allow, then every time after that, you'll get the cutout that appears as a sticker in the bottom left of your screen, and all you need to do is click add sticker. And then here, you can place it wherever you want. You know the drill, you can move it around, paste it, whatever. And then once I've done that, I just get a little bit creative with it. I add some arrows, add some text, share my cool fit with everyone. And then if I want to, I can just repeat the process. And I think it's a really creative way. I've got my AirPods in, I didn't realize. I think this is a really creative way to spice up your content on Instagram. And also it's a really cool iPhone feature because obviously you don't have to use this just with Instagram. And it is not just for photos of people. You can also select other objects and take those out of images and paste them into your story. Let me know in the comments, what are you going to be using this for? What are you cutting out? What images are you removing the background from? Thanks for watching. Peace out. Subscribe. Oh, I have my doesn't matter, does it? AirPods.